everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all know pasta is an Italian dish, but being an Indian, I so love all my Indian masala flavors and I'm pretty sure most of us can't do without them. So this video is dedicated to people who are ardent fans of Indian flavors. So why wait, let's get started and check out this recipe. For the masala pasta recipe, I'm taking 1 cup of penne pasta shells. Now you can use any variety pasta to make this recipe. Penne pasta is the most common, so you can use that. The first step is to cook the pasta. To a nice large pot, pour enough water. Once the water starts bubbling, add a teaspoon of salt. Drop in the pasta shells and cook it till it's completely done. Once the pasta is cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Next, take a nice wide saucepan or a kadai. Pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Give it a quick mix. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm adding about 3 large green chilies cut up. Now add about 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. So now I'm going to add some veggies to make it more flavorful. Add about half cup of finely chopped beans. Half cup of finely chopped carrots. Make sure all the veggies are of equal size. Next, I'm adding half cup of fresh green peas. Just mix all the vegetables in. Saute the vegetables for a few minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix all the vegetables well. Next, I'm adding all the spice powders, starting with 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix all the spices along with the vegetables. Since we're making this desi style masala pasta, it's going to have a lot of different flavors. It's going to be spicy and tangy. Now I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of water. Just mix that in. Close the pan and cook the vegetables on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the vegetables are cooked beautifully. I'm getting this wonderful aroma. Now add the cooked pasta and mix everything well along with the masala. Just make sure that the pasta is coated with the masala. Now you can adjust the spices according to the quantity of pasta and vegetables that you're using. Next, add some chopped coriander leaves and mix that in. Now when it's pasta, I'm sure we all love a little bit of cheese in it. So I'm just going to grate a little bit of that mozzarella cheese into the pasta. If you have Parmesan cheese, you can use that as well to give it a mild cheesy flavor. Wow, the masala pasta is coming together so beautifully. I can't wait to have a bowl of that lovely, tangy, spicy, desi style masala pasta. Turn off the stove and serve the pasta immediately, nice and hot. This is a simple yet fun dish that you can prepare in minutes. So in case your friends are coming over and you want to make something really simple and tasty and enjoy a nice quick bite, this is a nice go-to dish that you can try. So there you go, here is this delicious masala pasta, desi style, that you can enjoy. I'll give you a couple of links to the other pasta recipes I've made earlier. You can check them out as well. So you can see how simple that recipe is. I would say this is a go-to recipe or dish if you're looking for something desi, spicy and nice. Do give it a try sometime. It's definitely different from the usual pastas you would have tried earlier, and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.